Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're uncovering how one civilization shaped entire empires just with the power of words.
So, let's jump right in. Our whole story starts with the linguistic mystery around the word translation itself. So get this, scholars think the ancient Chinese word for translation, ti, actually came from the Turkic verb timek.
It's this wild idea called sound translation. The word was born from the very act of interpreting. And this tradition didn't just start with the Uyghurs. Their nomadic ancestors already needed translators for diplomacy.
You know what's really cool? Grammatical mistakes in old letters are actually clues they were translated into Chinese.
Now this is the turning point. Moving from the steppes to cities created the perfect storm for literacy to just explode.
And they became incredibly multilingual, mastering all the languages of the Silk Road and translating back and forth.
They also used a whole bunch of different scripts, picking the right tool for whatever language they were working with.
So what did they use all this skill for? Mainly, translating the world's great religions. Buddhism was the big one.
And they took on these massive projects, like translating the entire Buddhist canon, known as the Three Baskets.
To translate this really deep philosophy, they had to invent new vocabulary, which really elevated their own language.
This brings us to the master himself, Shinko Sheli Tultung. Seriously, one of history's greatest translators.
His style was a total game changer. He didn't just translate words, he was trying to translate worlds.
And check this out, it perfectly shows his method. He turned a flat statement into this living, poetic moment.
That's why scholars say his work wasn't a dead translation at all. It was a complete, vibrant recreation.
In his 700-page masterpiece, he even added 2 of his own stories that weren't in the original text.
Okay, so this incredible tradition didn't stop there. It actually became a pillar for the next great empire.
People like Anzang and Karuna Das were essential, using their language skills to basically run the whole Mongol Empire.
You see, their work created this ripple effect, establishing a tradition of cultural exchange that lasted for centuries.
It makes you wonder, if one translator can do all that, what other forgotten histories are just waiting to be revived?